What if I told you that sleep is the closest thing to death that you experience every single night? Scientists actually agree with this, and by the end of this video, you will never think about sleep the same way again. The moment you fall into deep sleep, your consciousness disappears completely. You have zero awareness of yourself, zero sense of time passing. If someone asked you a question, you wouldn't even know you exist. Philosophers and scientists have debated for decades. If you have no consciousness, no awareness, no sense of self, what exactly are you in that moment? Here is something discovered only recently that genuinely shocked the science world. While you sleep, your brain activates a waste removal system called the glymphatic system. Basically, your brain shrinks slightly, allowing fluid to flush through it and remove toxic waste that builds up during the day.
Every single night, your body is essentially doing a complete system reset, like a computer that needs to shut down completely to install critical updates. So tonight, when you close your eyes, you are not simply resting. Your consciousness will disappear. Your brain will clean itself. Your body will paralyze and rebuild itself. And tomorrow morning, you will wake up as a slightly newer version of yourself. Scientists call it sleep, but honestly, it sounds a lot like something much more profound than that. If you found this interesting, the next video will make you question something else you do every single day without thinking. Subscribe so you don't miss it.